Tucked along the sandy stretch of Playa Camarones in Puerto Vallarta, the Villa Premier boutique hotel and romantic getaway is the kind of place that quietly earns its reputation rather than shouting about it. This adults-only beachfront retreat sits in the heart of one of Mexico's most beloved coastal towns, offering a small but polished experience that has couples, honeymooners, and solo travelers coming back year after year. With roughly 80 rooms spread across the property, it never feels like a crowded resort, and that intimate scale is part of its charm. Today's review takes a close look at what works, what could be better, and whether this five-star boutique stay deserves a spot on your travel list. From the rooms to the restaurants, from the spa to the surrounding attractions, here is the honest breakdown every traveler should hear before booking. Starting with the rooms, the property keeps things refreshingly simple by offering four main categories, each designed with the ocean in mind. The deluxe room oceanfront is the entry-level pick, and it comes with a furnished balcony, your choice of one king bed or two doubles, air conditioning, free Wi-Fi, a flat-screen television, a coffee maker, a minibar, and in-room safe, and the kind of bathrobes and slippers that make you wonder if you should just live in them forever. Guests consistently praise the comfort of the beds, with one reviewer joking that the king felt so big it seemed like two beds pushed together, which is the kind of complaint nobody actually minds. The view, of course, is the headline act, with most rooms looking directly out over the Pacific. Moving up the ladder, the Premier Suite oceanfront adds a separate seating area and, in some descriptions, a whirlpool tub for that extra layer of relaxation. The honeymoon suite is where the romance really kicks in, featuring a private outdoor hot tub on the balcony along with a hammock for lazy afternoons, which travelers on TripAdvisor have called out as one of the highlights of their stay. Finally, the spa suite expands the living area and includes an in-room whirlpool, perfect for couples who want a wellness vibe right in their own space. Every room comes with the standard modern comforts, and while the hotel does not advertise extensive smart room technology, the focus here leans more toward classic boutique elegance than gadget-heavy design. Family options are limited given the adults-only policy, but for grown-ups looking for peace and quiet, that is precisely the point. When it comes to food and drinks, Villa Premier offers 3 on-site restaurants and 2 bars, which is impressive for a property of this size. La Corona serves gourmet international and Mexican cuisine in a more refined setting, and it tends to be the spot guests choose when they want to dress up a little and enjoy a slower, fancier meal. La Ceiba takes the opposite approach with an open-air setting right by the ocean, mixing Mexican and international dishes with the soundtrack of waves and sea breeze, which makes breakfast and lunch there especially enjoyable. La Perla Cantina de Costa rounds out the trio, and while its full menu description is not heavily advertised, the name suggests a coastal and seafood-leaning experience that fits perfectly with the beachfront setting. The bar scene includes a poolside option, which is the kind of detail that turns a good vacation into a great one, since you never have to walk far for a cold drink between dips. Guests who choose the optional all-inclusive package consistently mention that the food quality holds up across all 3 restaurants, which is rare since most resorts have at least one weak link. One reviewer from the United Kingdom noted that the all-inclusive made dining incredibly convenient, and the quality stayed strong throughout the stay. That said, travelers who do not book all-inclusive have occasionally felt the divide between the two groups, with one guest mentioning they felt like second-class visitors compared to those wearing the all-inclusive wristbands. It is a fair warning to factor in when deciding which plan to choose. The pool and beach scene at Villa Premier is one of the property's main draws, and for good reason. There are 2 outdoor pools on site, both styled in that calm, palm-shaded way that invites you to spend an entire afternoon doing absolutely nothing productive. Plenty of loungers are available, and the poolside bar keeps drinks flowing without forcing you to interrupt your relaxation streak. The hotel sits directly on Playa Camarones, also known as the main beach, and offers a private beach area with sun loungers for guests. Pool service has been highlighted as a particular strength, with attentive staff bringing drinks and towels without being asked. The beach itself comes with one honest caveat that pops up across reviews. While the location is unbeatable for walks and ocean views, the beach is on the smaller side and can be a bit rocky in spots, which has led many guests to spend more of their time at the pools. One couple on TripAdvisor mentioned this exact thing, calling out the rocky beach but praising the pool area as a more than satisfying alternative. For water activities, guests have access to the usual Puerto Vallarta options nearby, including snorkeling, paddleboarding, and boat excursions that can be arranged through the hotel or local vendors. The beachfront setting also means morning yoga on the sand becomes a real possibility, which several travelers have called one of the standout moments of their stay. For activities beyond lounging, the hotel keeps things curated rather than overwhelming, which fits the boutique style. Fitness facilities are available on site, with yoga classes and general fitness activities offered to keep guests moving even on vacation. A golf course sits within roughly 2 miles of the property, making it an easy outing for guests who want to swing a few clubs without traveling far. There is no formal tennis facility on the property itself, but the surrounding Puerto Vallarta area offers several options for those who want to get a match in during their stay. The hotel leans more toward relaxation than high-energy sports, which is exactly what most of its guests are looking for anyway. Cultural and educational activities are where Villa Premier quietly impresses. The property offers cooking classes and themed dinners that give guests a taste of Mexican culinary tradition without ever having to leave the grounds. These hands-on experiences are popular with couples looking for something a bit more memorable than just another beach day, and they tend to fill up quickly during peak season. Garden and terrace areas also provide quiet spots for reading, journaling, or simply enjoying a slow afternoon with a view. While the hotel does not market itself as an adventure hub, it covers the basics well and lets nearby Puerto Vallarta handle the bigger excursions like ziplining, ATV tour, and whale watching trips, which can all be arranged easily with the concierge. The spa and wellness experience is one of the strongest pillars of the Villa Premier offering, and it ties directly into the property's romantic getaway branding. The on-site spa features a full menu of body treatments, facial treatments, and beauty services, with massage being one of the most popular bookings. There is also a sauna, a spa lounge or relaxation area for unwinding before and after treatments, and even a massage chair for quick moments of decompression. The hotel offers spa and wellness packages that bundle multiple treatments together, which couples often book as part of their stay to make the trip feel a little more indulgent. Yoga classes are a regular part of the wellness program, and several guests have specifically mentioned beach yoga as a highlight that helped set the tone for the rest of their day. The fitness center is well equipped for guests who want to keep up their routines, even though the focus here is clearly more on relaxation than on intense workouts. A public bath is also available, adding another option for guests who enjoy that traditional, slow-paced wellness ritual. One thing worth noting from Expedia listings is that some reviewers were confused by a spa fee that appeared during the booking process, which may have been a placeholder or error, so it is worth confirming directly with the hotel before arrival. Aside from that minor hiccup, the spa experience is widely considered one of the property's signature strengths. Since Villa Premier is strictly adults, only with an 18 and over policy, there are no kids clubs or children's activities on site, and that is very much a feature rather than a flaw. The hotel deliberately positions itself as a quiet, romantic, and grown-up retreat, which is why couples, honeymooners, and travelers seeking peace continue to choose it over louder family resorts. If you are traveling with children, this is simply not the right property, but for anyone craving a calm atmosphere without splashing pools full of kids and crowded dining rooms, the adults-only rule is exactly what makes the experience work. The location is one of the property's biggest selling points, and the list of nearby attractions is genuinely impressive. Playa Camarones is right at the doorstep, and the famous Malecon boardwalk sits just about 1 kilometer away, putting you within a 10 to 15-minute walk of street performers, sand sculptures, restaurants, and ocean views. The historic downtown area of Puerto Vallarta is roughly 15 kilometers away, and the iconic Parroquia de Nuestra Señora de Guadalupe with its famous crown-top tower is about 16 kilometers from the hotel. For those who want a scenic hike, the Mirador Cerro de la Cruz hilltop lookout is just under 2 kilometers away and rewards visitors with sweeping views of the bay. Heading a bit further, the Zona Romantica neighborhood and Playa de los Muertos are about 3 kilometers away and offer a livelier scene with more dining and nightlife. The Puerto Mágico cruise port sits roughly 4.5 kilometers away, while Galeria's Vallarta shopping mall is around 5 kilometers from the hotel for anyone wanting a full retail therapy session. Marina Vallarta is about 6 kilometers out, and the international airport is a manageable 9 kilometers away, making arrivals and departures relatively painless. For day trips, the famous Los Arcos rock formations and marine park sit about 13 kilometers down the coast and are a popular snorkeling spot. All in all, the location balances quiet beachfront serenity with easy access to everything Puerto Vallarta has to offer. Looking at the overall picture, Villa Premier earns its high marks on review platforms with strong consistency. Booking.com gives it an 8.8 with particularly high scores for cleanliness, comfort, and staff. TripAdvisor sits at an impressive 4.7 out of 5 across more than 5,000 reviews, and Expedia rates it at a 9.0 with staff and service leading the way. The strengths are clear. Attentive service, a beautiful beachfront location, excellent food, comfortable rooms, and a calm adults-only atmosphere. The weaker points include the small and rocky beach, the occasional divide between all-inclusive and non-all-inclusive guests, and the confusing spa fee that has popped up in some Expedia listings. Value for money sits a touch lower than the other categories, suggesting some guests feel the price is just slightly above what they expected for the experience. What makes Villa Premier stand out is its commitment to being a small, intimate boutique experience rather than a sprawling resort. The adults-only policy, the romantic getaway branding, and the careful curation of dining, spa, and wellness options all work together to create a focused atmosphere. The honeymoon suite with its private hot tub and balcony hammock is the kind of feature that gets specifically requested by returning guests, and the cooking classes and themed dinners add cultural depth that bigger resorts often skip. The beachfront location combined with proximity to the Malecon means guests get both peaceful seclusion and easy access to the lively side of Puerto Vallarta whenever they want it. The hotel does offer conference and meeting space, along with a dedicated conference center, making it a quieter and more upscale option for small corporate retreats, intimate weddings, or private group celebrations. Given the adults-only policy and the romantic branding, it tends to attract more weddings and anniversary parties than large business conventions, but the facilities are there for groups that want something boutique-sized rather than cavernous. What truly sets the experience apart, though, is the staff. Across every review platform, the service ratings sit near the top of the scale, with guests repeatedly mentioning attentive, warm, and personal interactions. 24-hour room service, complimentary Wi-Fi, free parking, and small on-site shops add convenience layers that round out the stay. Whether it is a server remembering your drink order, a concierge arranging a snorkeling trip, or a spa therapist tailoring a treatment, the human touch is what guests remember most. For couples seeking a calm, well-run, and genuinely warm beachfront escape in Puerto Vallarta, Villa Premier Boutique Hotel and Romantic Getaway delivers a stay that feels worth the trip. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up, subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.